Hi everybody, welcome to Parks and Pizza. Today I have another special video for you. I went to Habit Burger, and if you watched my previous videos, I have a video from Habit on their chicken sandwich, and I do stand by my statement from that video that their chicken sandwich is better than Popeyes or Chick-fil-A. Habit Burger makes the best chicken sandwich in fast food business, but this time I have a different sandwich. I ordered Habit Vegan Burger, so that's what I want to try. I had the Impossible Burger from Burger King, which was very good, so I want to compare that to Habit Vegan Burger. Everything I tried from Habit Burger was great, was really good. I really like their food, so I'm hoping for a really good vegan burger. This is what it looks like. Let's open it up. It's a little windy out here. Okay. Grilled onions. Avocado. Ooh, that looks really good. Look at that. That looks delicious. All right, let's take a bite. Let's see if it tastes as good as it looks. It looks really good. I don't know what makes their vegan patties. It's a little mushy. I actually like the Impossible Burger patty better than this one, even though everything else on this burger is better. The bun, the vegetables are fresh, avocado, everything else is better, but the Burger King's Impossible Burger, that patty, the fake beef patty, is better. It feels like I don't really taste the quote-unquote meat, which in Burger King's Impossible Burger, it actually tastes like meat. This tastes just like a straight-up veggie sandwich. Which could be fine for vegans and vegetarians, but if you want to convert meat eaters to this, it has to taste like meat. Otherwise, meat eaters are not going to convert to vegetarians or vegans unless it tastes like meat, at least in the beginning of the process. I would rate this burger overall 3.75 stars. If this was a regular burger with a beef patty, this would be a 4.7 star burger. But 1 star off because the The patty, if this was the Impossible Burger patty in this burger, it would be 4.75 burger. So 1 star, lower rating, because this vegan patty, burger patty, is not as good as the one that Burger King serves, unfortunately. This is all I got for this review, guys. As always, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.